here's what's hot, brought to you by JMMB Group, your best interest at heart. One Great Studios' basis of allotment for its IPO shares is out. The digital marketing agency's IPO was oversubscribed, closing a day after it opened. According to the agency, applicants in the reserved pools will receive 100% of the shares they applied for. Applicants in the general pool will receive the first 20,000 shares and 34% of the remainder. Investors who applied for less than 20,000 shares will receive the full allotment. One Great Studio is expected to list on the junior market in the coming weeks. iCreate directors announced last week that they will be foregoing the release of their unaudited second quarter results and will release the audited version by the end of the month. The company had asked for an extension to publish the Q2 results on August 31. However, in a notice on the JSE, iCreate said that given their current situation, they will release both the audited Q2 and full year results on or before September 30. The audited results for 2022 were due in April. The JSE has suspended trading of iCreate shares until the audited results are released. The Financial Investigations Division says the fraud at SSL was bigger than first reported. They now say more than $10 million was stolen from SSL customers through multiple fraud schemes. The FID has been investigating SSL since news of alleged fraud at the investment firm broke in January. In its latest update, FID revealed that the number of affected accounts has grown from 40 to 70. Former wealth advisor Jeanan Panton is the only person to be arrested in connection with the fraud so far. However, the FID said it expects more arrests to be made by the end of the year. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke said the government will temporarily pay SSL's operational costs, including salaries, to ensure the investigation continues. According to the minister, salaries and other expenses total approximately $15 million a month. Dr. Clarke explained that employees had refused to work after not receiving their August salaries. He said the fraud investigation is at a critical point and the employees are essential in gathering information, so the government had to step in. He emphasized, however, that the move is temporary. 138 Student Living is looking to raise around $2 billion through an additional public offer. The company is offering 513 million new shares. 318 million shares are reserved for existing shareholders, 138 team members, and strategic partners. Those shares cost $4.05 each. Meanwhile, 195 million shares have been allocated for the public at $4.40 each. The lead broker for the IPO is GK Capital Management. The offer is set to open on September 8 and close on October 6. What's Hot was brought to you by JMMB Group, your best interest at heart.